Welcome to Trend AI Today, your ultimate guide to AI-powered content creation. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Trend AI Today, the channel where we uncover the latest AI trends, tools, and opportunities to help you create viral content and build a successful online presence. If you're looking for a fresh niche with low competition and high potential, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an exciting new trend that's taking over the internet: AI-generated duck-themed storytelling videos. Imagine gaining over 800,000 subscribers with just 17 uploads and earning anywhere from $42,000 to a whopping $682,000 per month, all by using free AI tools. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral duck-themed videos step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start making high-quality content that captures millions of views across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And here's the best part: you don't need prior experience or special skills. Everything can be done using AI. So if you're ready to jump into this lucrative niche, hit that like button, subscribe to Trend AI Today, and let's get started. Step 1. Crafting the story and image prompts. The foundation of any great video is a compelling story. The secret to the success of channels like Duck Quest lies in their unique storytelling formula. Here's how their videos work. 1. A duck is in danger. The story starts with a relatable or dramatic moment, where a duck is struggling or facing a problem. 2. A brave animal comes to help. A kitten, puppy, or any other cute animal steps in to assist the duck. 3. Plot twist. Just when things seem resolved, the helper animal finds itself in a more dangerous situation, usually involving a predator like an eagle, hawk, or crocodile. 4. The duck saves the day. In an unexpected turn, the duck overcomes the danger and rescues its friend, leading to a heartwarming and satisfying conclusion. Let's bring this formula to life with an example. Picture this: a tiny kitten struggles in the water, unable to escape the current. A crocodile lurks nearby, closing in fast. Just when it seems like the kitten is doomed, a heroic duck knocks a rock into the river, creating waves that startle the crocodile and give the kitten enough time to reach safety. The two new friends waddle away together, living happily ever after. Even if you're not great at storytelling, don't worry, ChatGPT has your back. Here's how to generate a perfect storyline in seconds. 1. Copy and paste a pre-tested AI prompt into ChatGPT. This will break the storyline into key scenes. 2. Once you have your scenes, move on to image prompts. 3. Use ChatGPT to generate detailed AI image prompts for each scene. Pro tip: want a fresh story idea? Ask ChatGPT to create a similar story but change the supporting animal to a baby rabbit, a wolf cub, or even a turtle. If you'd like more script examples, drop a comment below. I'd love to send you a document full of amazing duck stories. Step 2. Generating images with Leonardo AI and Pix. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring our story to life with eye-catching visuals. Here's how you can create stunning images for free. 1. Use Leonardo AI. Log in with Google or email to get 150 free tokens daily. 2. Click on Image Creation and select the Phoenix Style 1.0 for vibrant, high-quality images. 3. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. 4. Paste your AI-generated image prompt and hit Generate. Leonardo AI will create 4 variations per prompt. Repeat this process for each scene in your story and download the images. Pro tip: if you run out of tokens, don't worry. Create another account or use alternatives like Pix or Puman AI to continue generating images. Combining multiple AI tools ensures you always have the visuals you need. If this guide is helping you so far, give this video a like. It helps more creators like you discover this powerful strategy. Step 3. Turning images into videos. Once we have our AI-generated images, it's time to animate them into a full video. Here's how. 1. Use Pix 3.5. It's fast, user-friendly, and ideal for turning images into animations. 2. Visit the Pix website, link in the description, and sign up. 3. New users get 100 bonus credits and 60 daily credits to create videos. 4. Click Create, upload your images, and add scene descriptions. 5. Hit Generate, your video will be ready in seconds. Pro tip: if you run out of credits, switch to hailuoai or consider upgrading your Pix plan. And because I love helping my subscribers, I'm giving away a free 1-month subscription to Pix. Just drop a comment and subscribe for a chance to win. Step 4. Enhancing video quality with CapCut Upscaler. To make your video look ultra-professional, use the CapCut Upscaler. 1. Open CapCut Upscaler and click on Magic Tools. 2. Select Video Upscaler and upload your video. 3. Let the tool enhance resolution, sharpness, and details. 4. Download your high-quality video. If you used Pix to generate your video, you might not need this step, but it's always good to upscale for the best results. Step 5. Editing and adding sound effects. Finally, let's put the finishing touches on our video. 1. Import your video into CapCut. 2. Trim unwanted sections and remove watermarks if needed. 3. Add transitions and effects. Use smooth fades, light flashes, and a slight shaking effect for suspense. 4. Layer sound effects and music. Use royalty-free music from YouTube's audio library or AI-generated tracks. 5. Add duck quacks, water splashes, and background music to enhance the experience. Final secret tip for going viral. Before we wrap up, here's a game-changing tip: use emotional storytelling. Videos that evoke emotions, whether it's excitement, suspense, or heartwarming moments, perform significantly better. Make your viewers feel something, and they'll be more likely to watch, comment, and share your videos. So, if you want your videos to explode in popularity, focus on emotional storytelling and high-quality visuals. Start creating today. That's it, folks. Now you know exactly how to create viral duck-themed videos using AI. From scripting to generating images, animating videos, and adding sound effects, you have all the tools to start your own AI-powered storytelling channel today. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Trend AI today, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy creating.